Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are attempting to do knotless box braids. Now I tried to do this like 4 years ago, before they even called them knotless box braids. I did 3 braids and I stopped. So we'll see what I can do today. Now the hair her mother bought, horrible. I don't even know why she bought this. And it is so thin. So thin. But we're gonna see if we can even do it, okay? So we're gonna get started. I've seen 1,000 ways these are done. I'm sorry if y'all hear that noise. My jeans are rubbing up against my chair. I need a better color. I already separated the hair over here where that orange thing is. It's a chair. I've already separated the hair. Oh Lord. I think I made the pieces too fat. Alright, put your head up. Is that good? Yo, this hair is so raggy, like look. It's already tangled up. I do want to make sure I do the tucking method. I don't know how long I'm going to keep these because this looks entirely too long. I doubt she can have braids this long. So I'm just going to finish this braid off camera. So you guys, I did 3. They're not horrible, but they're not the best. Y'all, clearly as you can see, I was struggling, but that little thing I just did, how I wrapped the hair around my finger, that's how I added the hair later on once I figured out how to add the hair, and it was much easier. So y'all, I did not realize I was recording this. That little girl is literally making herself cry and telling me how she can make herself cry on demand and how she's an actress. Like, when I tell y'all she is bad. So I do just want to say, I know that the base, the squares are probably a lot larger than they should be for the size of the braids that I'm doing. But this is the reason why I do not braid professionally. And when I braid family's hair, yeah, it's gonna be some shortcuts taken. Also, like I said in the beginning, the hair was very thin. So we had 5 packs of number 4 hair, which is her hair color. And I knew that that was not going to be enough, and I did send her parent to get more hair, and they got burgundy instead of number 4. So before I did all that, I was trying to stretch the hair as best I could before I realized that I was going to need more hair. Y'all, it has been 3 hours since I did the first braid. I still have all this to go. There's no more braids. Can you turn your head straight?
It hurts.
You are faking tonight. So y'all, this is taking forever, but and then we don't have enough hair, low-key. I gotta make it work. I sent one of her parents to the hair store to get more number 4, and they got more burgundy. So I still ignore that. That's my chair because it's really low. So I still have pretty much all this to do, but almost done. So you guys, my plan was to get an up close and personal video of how I do it. I was gonna save it for the last braid, but you'll see in the next clip why that couldn't happen and why I literally have no pictures except one of the finished style. I also wanted to do different hairstyles you can do with knotless braids, but yeah, it couldn't happen. So guys, I am done, but as you can see, she is finishing because I literally almost chopped my finger off. So I'm waiting for her parents to pick her up so I can go to the emergency. But yeah, my first time, I think it came out okay. Barely made it. That was literally the last piece of hair.